let's talk about some industries of the Democratic Republic of Congo. The main industries of the Democratic Republic of Congo are cement, paper, glass, soap and cigarettes. Some important and main industries of the Democratic Republic of Congo are cement, paper, glass, soap and cigarettes. These are some important industries of the Democratic Republic of Congo. And these industries are located in the capital city of the Democratic Republic of Congo, which is Kinshasa. I have told you many times that Kinshasa is the capital city of the Democratic Republic of Congo. It is the largest city also, and it is the capital city also of Democratic Republic of Congo. Now there are some other important cities also. Some important cities are Lubumbashi, Matadi and Katanga. These are some other important cities of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Do you know, students, Matadi is the largest seaport. Matadi is the largest seaport here, and it is also a railway terminal. It is also a railway terminal. Matadi is very important seaport. It is largest seaport here, and it is also a railway terminal. Now let's talk about the Katanga. Katanga is also a famous city here. It is very famous and important city here. And Katanga is famous for its mineral resources. You know, students, mining is one of the important industry here. Mining is the important industry in Katanga. Katanga is famous for its mineral resources, and some mineral resources which are found here are gold, silver, uranium, manganese, diamond, etc. Some minerals which are found in Katanga are gold, silver, uranium, manganese, diamond, etc. Mining is an important industry here. Katanga is famous for its mineral resources, and mining is the important industry here. You know, students, Democratic Republic of Congo is the largest producer of diamond and cobalt. Democratic Republic of Congo is the largest producer of diamond and cobalt, and diamond and cobalt is exported to other countries also. Here diamond and cobalt are found in large quantity, and it is also exported to other countries. Democratic Republic of Congo is also rich in water resources. Democratic Republic of Congo is also famous for its water resources, or you can say it is rich in water resources. With the help of its dams, it has become our largest producer of hydroelectricity. Now what is a dam? A dam is a strong wall or a barrier which is made in the river. Why the dams are made on the rivers? The dams are built on the river to control the flow of water in the river. It controls the flow of water. It controls the flow of water in the river. And it also produces hydroelectricity. The main why the dams are built on the rivers? Dams are built on the rivers so that it can control the flow of water over there and can produce hydroelectricity. And in Democratic Republic of Congo also, the dams are used for making hydroelectricity. The dams are built on the rivers to make hydroelectricity, and due to which it has become, the Democratic Republic of Congo has become the largest, or you can say leading producer of hydroelectricity. Now what is hydroelectricity? The electricity which is produced from the running water is called hydroelectricity. So the Democratic Republic of Congo is rich in water resources, and with the help of its dams, it has become a leading producer of hydroelectricity. Now, with the development in the science and technology, and as the country has become more and more industrialized, the life of the people is also changing. The life of the people is also changing. How? Now, the people who were living in the villages, now they have been shifted to towns and cities to work in mines and factories. Now, the people who were living in villages earlier, now they have been shifted in towns and cities to work in mines and factories. Now, this country has a good network of roads and railways, and the country has well developed air transport system also. The big cities are now connected with each other, and they are also becoming developed as the time passes by. So this is all about the industries of the Democratic Republic of Congo.